regarding the 7 factors of enlightenment, it is said in the Dhammapada, Yesam Sambodhi Angam Samma Chittam Subhavitam Adan Pati Nassa Agge Anupadai Ye Rata Khina Sava Jyoti Mante Te Loke Parinibuttam. Now we are going to discuss analysis of the Bodhipakya Dhammas in Abhidhamma text. Buddha Ghosh has explained the Bodhipakya Dhamma in this way: 4 mindfulness, 4 right efforts, 4 miraculous power, 5 faculties, 5 powers, 7 factors of enlightenment, 8-fold path. These 37 requisites are called as Bodhipakya Dhamma because of being suitable for the noble path. Being suitable means to be for the rendering service. Here Bodhi means noble path. The knowledge of noble path is Bodhi in the sense of knowing. These 37 states are suitable for that enlightenment of these 4-fold mindfulness, etc. States are helpful in getting knowledge of that noble path. Therefore, these 37 states are called as Bodhipakya Dhamma. In the Kathavathu At Katha, Acharya Buddha Ghosh has said the knowledge of the 4 path, namely Sotapatti Magga, Sagadagami Magga, Anagami Magga and Arhat Magga as Bodhi, and it is the designated term of omniscience. All these 37 Bodhipakya Dhammas are found in a single moment of consciousness, Ek Chit, at the time of arising of the 4 knowledge concerned with the path to extreme attainment, once returner, non-returner and arhantship respectively. These Bodhipakya Dhammas are undoubtedly the path of meditation. Buddha has given the importance to the action and not to the caste. He says that one is not able for Nibbana by taking birth in a high family, but he can get Nibbana in this world too by practicing of 7 factors of enlightenment, and after having control physical, vocal and mental actions. These dharmas are called as the door of Vimukha, liberation. In Theravada tradition, the teachers have taken these 37 factors of enlightenment as 14 types. In the Visuddhi Magga, Acharya Buddha Ghosh has listed the factors, the 37 qualities, in a manner so as to describe 14 non-redundant qualities. Thus, for instance, while 9 qualities, namely Jil, Chand, consciousness, Chit, joy, piti, tranquility, pasaddhi, equanimity, upekha, right determination, samma sankappa, right speech, samma vacha, right action, samma kamanto, right livelihood, samma ajivo, are mentioned only once in full list of 37 qualities. The other 5 qualities are mentioned multiple times. These 14 types of factors of enlightenment have also been counted in Abhidhammat Sangaho. Now we are going to discuss about the 8-fold path and Bodhipakya Dhamma. In the Theravada tradition, 8-fold path has been made main base for counting the 37 factors of enlightenment. In other way, the essence of the teachings of the Buddha is the 37 factors of enlightenment. The essence of Bodhipakya Dhamma is the Noble Eightfold Path. The term path or magga is used in Abhidhamma to refer to four specific attainment: Sotapan, Sakdagami, Anagami and Arhat. These are the four varieties of four Lokottara magga, and they are the four ways, Patipada, that lead specifically to the cessation of suffering. This noble path, having 8 constituents classified in Sila, Samadhi and Panya, which are the 3 essentials of the entire physical, psycho and spiritual life of the Buddhist tradition. Sila is the physio-vocal culture. It curtails the physical vocal misdeeds and makes them morally sound. Samadhi is the mental culture. It destroys the mental misdeeds and prepares a congenial atmosphere for emergence of the pure consciousness. Panya is the intuitive culture. It removes the darkness of ignorance, penetrates into the nature of the reality, makes it understandable as impermanent, subject to suffering and substanceless. Help in uprooting the thicket of attachment and realization of the supramundane bliss state. Mahaparinibbana Sutta of Dignikaya states that these 3 are forming a state of successive spiritual attainment. Each one is helpful to one another and serves as a background. It means that when Sila is imbued with Samadhi, it is of great fruit and benefit. When imbued with Samadhi, Panya is of great fruit and benefit. When imbued with Panya, the mind is rightly freed from asavas of sensual desires. The essence of the Noble Eightfold Path is the 3 Sikhas, namely Adhisil, higher morality, Adhichit, higher concentration, and Adhipanya, higher right understanding. Acharya Buddha Ghosh also says that training of higher morality is shown by the morality seal, the training of higher concentration by concentration samadhi, and the training of the higher understanding by the right understanding panya.